Hi everyone, myself Shaikh Mohammed Bahernooz, a student from Punjagutta College of Engineering, graduated in 2026 in the stream of Information Technology. I joined Jspiders Punjagutta and avoided a course of Java Full Stack, where I gained hands-on experience on every technology like Java, web technology, advanced Java, programming. Here, my trainers were Raghavendra sir, who taught me as Java. Apart from that, he tell me how I can build my resume and all. He helped me a lot. And my advanced Java trainer was Ravi sir. For my web technology, Chandana ma'am, and for SQL, Harsha sir. They all were nice to me and helped me a lot. Apart from that, in this course, we will be having mock ratings, GD sessions, in GD sessions, apti groomings and all, which will help you to how we can face the interview process and what are the requirements for the company, we will get to know. So that's all from my end.